So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario, a scenario which is pointing us where the price in the immediate short term, where the price for the coming days might be possibly heading. So before I start talking about these interesting scenarios, please do me a favor and destroy the like button, and let's try to reach at least 1000 like in this video. But if you want to support me even further, you know, guys, a comment is always appreciated. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at this price action, if you look at this example here on the right hand side, the price of Bitcoin did pretty much like how we expected. After breaking out from this descending broadening wave, just like as shown in an example, what did the price of Bitcoin started doing? Started showing weakness. I even showed you that this might be a bull flag. Even though the price in the immediate short term could show weakness, it is going to be just a temporary weakness, and it did started breaking it to the upside. So if you look at this example, if you look at this price action, it did play it out perfectly. And parallelly, we are also aware the price of Bitcoin is following this bullish rectangle pattern after breaking out from this consolidation phase. Yes, when we were inside this parallel channel, the price of Bitcoin was range bounding. Once we broke the upper trend line resistance, we started with this impulsive move. So according to this bullish rectangle pattern as well, the price objective sits above 40,000. So this red line is where we could be getting attracted before choosing an actual trend direction, because parallelly the price of Bitcoin is also breaking above this resistance line. This is an ascending triangular bullish continuation pattern. In our case, we have already broken out of this upper trend line which previously acted as a resistance. Now, if this bullish continuation is going to play out, you can see we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get at least around 41,000, and only after that choose an actual trend direction. Yes, guys, looking into different scenarios, looking into different time frame, you can see the price of Bitcoin is showing bullishness, and not just only because of the price action. Even if you look at these indicators, I mean, if you look at this Bollinger Band, the price of Bitcoin right now looks like breaking out from this upper band, and we are aware upper band usually gets broken when price is preparing itself for a new impulsive movement. You can see each and every time during an uptrend, the upper band gets broken, price usually starts with a new impulsive move, and this is something what is also happening right now. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that even if the price could be forming some bearish scenario like this, example, this is an ascending broadening which a bearish continuation pattern. First, what could the price of Bitcoin be doing? The price of Bitcoin could be getting attracted towards this upper trend line before breaking it to the downside. I mean, even if this bearish scenario is going to play out, first we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted here to the upside around this upper trend line, and only after that show an actual corrective move. And why? Because I have an interesting chart, guys. This is our new CPR for December. Yes, guys, for this December month, we have new price target to the upside and also new price target to the downside. So according to this December CPR, the top CPR, central CPR, and bottom CPR lies in between 36,000, 37,000. So that means 36,000, 37,000 will be looked as one of the most important line of support for Bitcoin in case of retracement. And to the upside, the area where we could be getting attracted, you can see our price target is already placed 39,300. So since this month, the previous month, November month, was a VCPR, price started choosing a trend direction without touching any of this trend line. What it did in December month, it formed another VCPR. So what does this mean, guys? I haven't seen any chart where the price has formed two consecutive VCPR. That means there is a very high probability of price testing the support from this 37,000 range for this month of December before deciding the trend direction. So what could be happening here? Please listen carefully, guys. Price could get attracted around this 39,000, even a big spike around 40,000, and then all of a sudden a continuation towards this CPR line, and only after that choose an actual trend direction. So what I think the price of Bitcoin could be doing in the immediate short term, if we do see another corrective move around the CPR line, after that, I'm actually expecting the price to continue our rally like this. Yes, any sort of a pullback in the immediate short term will be looked as a temporary pullback, and even here in a bigger frame, this is still higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation. So even if the price after this bullish move around 39,000-40,000 starts showing weakness, this is still looked as a bullish continuation pattern. Price slowly getting attracted towards this key line, I mean either the CPI line or following this bearish divergence scenario. I mean, in the past price action, we are aware whenever the price of Bitcoin during an uptrend has flashed this bearish divergence in RSI, what has followed after that? The price of Bitcoin after that has started showing weakness, I mean corrective move. So in our case, this is also a bearish divergence, but the price is following this ascending channel. So if the price of Bitcoin gets attracted around 39,000-40,000, reaching the price opportunity from this ascending triangle, right, price opportunity from this bullish rectangle pattern, then we have to be careful, because that could be the turning point. I mean, after getting attracted towards this monthly R1 or a little bit higher, the price could show a continuation, liquidating the over leverage longs before continuing our uptrend like this. I mean, following higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation in a weekly time frame, because we know any sort of a pullback in the medium short term or in the coming days, this indicator, for example, Williams alligator indicator, is going to be acting as a line of support. So any sort of a weakness, any sort of a pullback in the medium short term in the coming days, these trend lines, top, central, and the bottom trend lines, or the moving averages, will be acting as a line of support. And parallelly, not just only that, even this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator is going to be acting as a support. So even after this bullish move, you can see our indicator is still flashing us a buy signal. So this is another bullish sign. So any sort of a weakness, any sort of a corrective move, this indicator, CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, is going to be acting as a support, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to show another continuation like this. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. But if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, if you want to trade with free money, please check the video description, because exchanges like Bybit, OKX, Phemex are providing thousands and thousands of dollars of bonuses to our community members. So do grab that opportunity. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye-bye.